This is a goat farm that I've built. It's almost 2000 square feet. It has got individual compartments and has a capacity of over 100 plus goats. This is the feeding station. So the flooring is perforated, so the droppings and all can go down automatically. It cleans naturally when the goats walk, gets cleaned. You have different compartments for various ages of goats. These are for stags. This is the storeroom, water supply. Feeding happens from outside. The goats don't come out. It's very low on maintenance and has got good air circulation, so the temperature doesn't get too hot inside. The lighting, most of it is all solar. I've put solar panels on top which runs a UPS, and the lighting is from that. Only for the fans we are using direct power.